Welcome back to my channel. Today I'm going to tell you about Google Photos. Google Photos is very interesting photos. You can see that the photos are in front of you and first of all ready to add some photos. This is really a very pure type of raw I haven't added anything in it. Then you can go search photos and you can add it in because it gives you upload. You can upload as well, and you can help and feedback setting. Oh my god, I really like the setting options. Original quality storage saver, get more storage, manage storage, Spotted videos, unspotted videos, partner sharing, suggested memory sharing, local print order, history draft, memory browser. Export your data in Google Photos. Wow, my God, I really like it. If you pay for it, you can share it with a lot of partners. So let's go to the photos. In my, you can see that manage storage. What is manage storage? Google Drive, Gmail, small amount is only using it, and large photos, videos, nothing, zero, unsupported. All are clear and Google Drive. Review items, get storage. Nothing is here. So I'm going back, find out new storage works. No, I don't need it now. So the simple thing is this photos, and again I'm going there. Unspotted videos, mandatory that cannot proceed. I don't have any. I am not a partnership sharing and partnership. Get started. Select your partner. Choose what you want to share. I have not it. Just I want to get the overview. Memories, suggestions, creation suggestions, suggested archive, skipped suggestion, unsaved creation, memories, animations. Oh my God, it gives you a lot. It gives you a lot. If you see that previously, recently sharing, location management, draft reminder, browser notification, export your data in Google Photos, and all this stuff. So go back and I want to yes, sharing with very good. Very good option. I really like the Explore. Explore is very good for recent animation, collab movies, screenshot, selfies, videos, motion pictures, photo scan, and 360 photo and videos. It's me. It is another world. Sharing with the people, you get started. Favorites. I don't have the favorites in. Oh God, favorites. Utilities, movie animation, you can share with a partner. Album, I don't have the album in it. Create an album because I told you that I haven't started anything. Trash, storage area, something, everything is in one front of you. Add photos. Oh my God, add photos. You can go select the photos and add it. As I don't have it, so how could I have the photos? Google Photos, really an amazing app. You can share it, you can paid it, you can enjoy it. It is not just one person. And for the years and decade, you can use it and update it. Really a very good. I will recommend everyone to have it and enjoy it. Please subscribe to our channel, watch it, and like it, and let us know about the comments about the community.